Hello, breakfast lovers. Tired of the same old breakfast? Want to start your day with something energizing and delicious? You're in the right place. In this video, we're bringing you 10 viral breakfast ideas that will change your morning routine forever. Here are our top 10 breakfast options. 1. Avocado toast. Benefits. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins. It supports digestion, improves heart health, and keeps you full for a longer time. Paired with whole grain bread, it makes a nourishing and satisfying breakfast alternative. 2. Cheese. Benefits. Cheese is an excellent source of protein and calcium. It supports bone health, promotes muscle development, and helps you stay full. It also adds flavor and variety to your breakfast. 3. Molasses. Benefits. Molasses is rich in iron and calcium, boosting the immune system. As a natural sugar source, it provides energy, helps balance blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling vibrant in the morning. 4. Oats. Benefits. Oats are high in fiber, supporting digestion and regulating cholesterol levels. They balance your energy levels, keep you full for longer, and can be customized with various toppings for different flavors. 5. Honey. Benefits. Honey is a natural sweetener that provides energy and contains antioxidants. It supports the immune system and soothes the digestive tract. 6. Granola and yogurt. Benefits. This combination is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Yogurt, being probiotic, supports digestive health, while granola helps keep you full and satisfied. 7. Strawberries and other red fruits. Benefits. Red fruits like strawberries are high in antioxidants, which boost the immune system and enhance skin health. They are also low in calories, making them a refreshing and light breakfast choice. 8. Pancakes. Benefits. Whole grain or protein-packed pancakes offer a sweet start to your day and boost your energy levels. Topped with fresh fruit or honey, they provide a balanced breakfast option. 9. Water. Benefits. Drinking a glass of water before breakfast speeds up your metabolism and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated boosts your energy levels and supports overall health. 10. Eggs. Substitute for avocado toast. Benefits. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats. They promote muscle health, provide sustained energy, and can be cooked in various ways, making them a versatile breakfast staple. What will you discover? New twists on classic recipes. Learn how to modernize and excitingly reinvent classic breakfast dishes. Innovative new recipes. Explore creative and delicious new breakfast ideas you haven't tried before. Healthy ingredients and practical solutions. Discover how to easily incorporate healthy ingredients into your breakfast routine. We're offering everything from quick and easy recipes to special weekend breakfast ideas. This video is packed with fantastic ideas and step-by-step preparation methods that will add a fresh touch to your mornings. Why should breakfast lovers watch? Get inspired. Find new ways to start your day more enjoyably and healthily. Stay motivated. Turn breakfast into your favorite meal of the day. Explore viral trends. See the latest breakfast trends taking the internet by storm. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and breakfast hacks, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Comment below on which recipes you're excited to try, and share your thoughts on the video. Let's get cooking and make your mornings more delicious.